Hi, here is Richard Koza from SimpleStockTrading.com, and I am here with a video describing 4 steps to make the best online stock trade. So we are traders. You are a trader too, and so you have to execute trades to make money. But what is the best stock trade you can do? Well, it depends. Somebody says that the best online stock trade is the trade that makes the most money, and that's the correct definition. But I would like to add that your best stock trade should be executed based on your rules for execution of the best online stock trades. Why? Because if you have no rules how to execute trades and what steps to follow in your trading, if you have no rules like that, you can make one good stock trade or one best stock trade, but most of your trades will be losing trades and you will not make money. So if you want to make money and execute best stock trade, you should have simple rules that define steps to make best online trade. And as you know, I like to have everything simple in my trading. I like to do simple stock trading. So I have simple steps, simple rules to make best online stock trade. So let's go to step number 1, and it is find good opportunities. Well, it can be said easily, but what it means? It generally means that you have rules that will help you to select the best opportunity in every trade situation, and it is key in every trade situation, because in every market situation, because you can find yourself in different situation on the market. There is possible to have bullish market, there is possible to have bearish market, and there is possible to have trading range. So you have to know what opportunities you should select for these market situations. So generally in bullish market you will prefer bullish trades. In bearish market you will prefer bearish trades. Trading range is little tricky, and trend traders prefer to stay away from the market during this time, and it's based on your trading style or trading strategy whether you trade in this situation or not. But generally you have to understand that the cash is also position. So if you are not clear what to trade and what to select, stay in cash. Don't trade. Don't allow the market to take a cash from you or some cash from your account in a situation that is not clear to you. So let's look at some market situation. So here you can see S&P 500 index, and well, if I go here, this is typical uptrend situation. So this is bullish trend situation, and you want to execute bullish trades during this time. Of course, this is exact opposite. During this time you prefer to execute bearish trades, and as you can see, this time it is trading range, and it is not very clear whether to execute bullish trades or bearish trades. So it depends on your strategy, on your rules, on your trading style, whether you are swing trader, position trader, or day trader, what you will do during this time. So this is about finding good trading opportunity. Typically, finding an opportunity is defining the direction of the market, finding using some screener or some rules to screen the market for your opportunities, and finding the best opportunity from this list of possible opportunities. The next step is to prepare setup with good risk-reward ratio. So when you find really best opportunities from the list of possible opportunities available on the market right now, so you have to prepare setup. You always have to define your entry, your exit. It means your entry level where you want to buy stocks or enter the trade, because it can be short sell trade. The second point is where you place your stop loss. It means that where you exit the trade if your basic idea for trade development fails. And the third point is optimal exit or target area, and based on these three values, you should calculate your risk and your reward, or in this trade, so maximum risk and maximum reward, or optimal reward, and your optimal reward should be always bigger than your risk. Always, always, always. Even you are day trading, even you are swing trading, anytime it should be bigger. So if you find opportunities that don't fit to these rules, don't use it. The best ratio for the risk to reward or reward to risk is 3-to-1. I like 3-to-1. It is the best ratio for swing trades, so 3-to-1 or better. Let's say 4-to-1, 5-to-1. It depends on your trade setup. And so you have to select or be prepared to trade only opportunities that fit to this rule. Don't try to execute the trade that has worse ratio. So this is about trade setups. You can use for calculation of risk reward simple Excel sheet. You can see on this mine simple trade setup. I place here the entry, my stop, my exit, and my risk reward is immediately calculated for this trade. Of course, in this sheet I have other issues, but generally right now you will see that the risk reward ratio is definitely higher than 3. So this is possible opportunity to trade this way. I have also my position size calculated here, and other values I want to think about during the trade if I have to. So it's good to utilize some sheet. It can be Google Sheet or Excel sheet or some other other sheet program you can use, of course. So this is example of step 2. Prepare trade setup with good risk reward. So what's the next? Next is manage your trade well. When you select opportunity and finally execute trade, you have to manage it. So first step of management is entering the trade. So you have defined rules for entering the trade. You have probably the trigger in your trade setup, so your trigger price. So when this trigger price is reached, you buy or sell short positions, and then you have managed your trade, because it is very important to manage your trade during the trade development. You cannot leave it without monitoring your every trade should be managed accordingly with your rules, and typically your rules define some form of trailing stop loss level. So you will trail your stop loss level in accordance of development of the trade. As the trade will develop in your favor, you will move your stop loss to make your risk smaller and smaller, and finally you can push it into the already profit situation, so you will not leave the trade from the with loss. So this is very important to have rules how to manage your trade when it's open. So when you will check your prices, how you will be alerted about some level that was reached real time, and what you have always know what you have to do in every time, or in any time you check the situation or you are alerted. So you have to understand when to trail stop, when to enter the trade, and of course when to exit the trade. It is and we will discuss it soon, quite soon. So we go to the step number 4. When to exit the trade is the next important step. Take profits. Many traders forget about taking profits, as they want to reach maximum possible gain of every trade, but don't count that with that you will be able to reach a maximum profit available from every trade. It's fine if you take your part of the movement of the stock that the stock did. So don't expect that you will sell your shares at the maximum price that will be reached by shares in bullish trade. So always understand that you will take a part from the share movement. And do not forget that money is only in your account when the trade is closed. So the cash available for you to buy some things and to make your living or something like this is only on your account when you close the trade. Otherwise, it is only virtual profit. Every open trade is only virtual profit. No real profit, because it is not cash that sits in your account and is available to be withdrawn. Yeah? So understand, always you have to close the trade to move money to your account, to move more cash to your account that is available for your living. So prepare the rules how to close the trade. Don't be afraid to close the trade anytime you will see your rules are hit, and the trade needs to be closed. So you have to close the trade, and don't be afraid that you didn't reach the maximum possible profit available in every single trade, because it is almost not possible to do it consistently. And any trader that tried to exit the trades at maximum profits fails. So don't want to take the maximum profit. Take your part of the profit that is presented to you by the trade movement that you are in. So finally, some summary of 4 steps that are necessary to make the best online stock trade. Step number 1, find good opportunities. Step number 2, prepare setup with good risk reward. Step number 3, manage your trade well. And step number 4, do not forget to take profits. And if you will follow these 4 steps in your trading plan, you will make best stock trades, and it means you will make money trading stocks. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I will be happy to see your comments or questions. You can comment this video below or use my simplestockTrading.com site to contact me through contact form, or generally, of course, you can reach me anytime using email. So thank you once again, and see you next time. Bye bye.